Namaste. Welcome back, dear friends, to 365 Days of Rumi. This is day 4, and today's poem is called Witnessing the Beauty. The human being is an astrolabe of God, but it takes an astronomer to know how to use the astrolabe. If a seller of onions or a grocer were to possess an astrolabe, what benefit could he get out of it? What would he understand of the circling heavens and the movements of the planets, their influences and transits? In the hands of an astronomer, the astrolabe is of good use, for he who knows himself knows the Lord. Just as this metal astrolabe is a mirror of the heavens, the human being, and we have honoured the children of Adam, is the astrolabe of God. When God makes a person to know himself through the astrolabe of that person's own being, he witnesses the manifestation of God and his infinite beauty moment by moment and flash by flash. That beauty is never absent from his mirror. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me. This is 365 Days of Rumi. Join me tomorrow for day 5. Namaste, Hari Om. Lots of love.